Welcome to Work Street. Let me introduce you to Bill's company, Xpert Ltd., a very successful company. This is Bill. He is the CEO, a clever and hard-working fellow. On the other side of the street is another successful company, Ben's company, Stressless Ltd., and this is Ben. Let's observe them and try to analyze their working environment. It's Monday, and it's that time of year again. Bill at Xpert and Ben at Stressless are preparing their annual reports for their management boards on Friday. In their preparations, they realize they need more information in order to do this analysis. Bill contacts their head of BI, Business Intelligence. The head of BI talks to the data warehouse team, a team of approximately 10 people, male and female, working hard at their computers, with a big whiteboard on the wall in the back with tasks, checklists, and yellow notes. He assigns 6 of them for the task, with 1 in a lead role. They have to stop what they are doing and talk to each other to figure out how to solve this. At Stressless Ltd., it's a little bit different. The BI team consists of only 3 people total, and 1 gets assigned to the task. They've got time for a cup of tea, but begin working right away. Talk a little bit, type and press a few buttons on the keyboard. They finish generating the data by the end of the day. Ben receives an email at the end of the day, looks at the report, and he is smiling. Bill is still waiting. He is calling to check on the status, but he has to wait longer because they do not know when they will finish the task. It is Wednesday. Both Bill and Ben are still preparing for Friday's meeting. Bill receives a phone call. The report is finished. Nice! They both realize they need more detailed information for the sales analysis. Ben gets a message saying that they already have the data needed. Bill is not that fortunate. He calls the head of BI and interrupts the people working. Again, he explains the new request. The BI team gets stressed. Last year's sales data is archived in a different database. Surprise! They have to call in expert consultants to retrieve this data. When the 2 experts arrive, they discuss the case and start typing codes on their laptops, ticking off on the checklist. Ben, on the other hand, can now meet the sales manager. He can analyze the plan strategies for increasing the sales. He is able to generate new graphs, and he can make fact-based analysis. Bill gets a second phone call. The data will be ready on Friday morning, and he is stressed. Bill does not have time to analyze the data before the meeting, and he has to present the report as is. So why is it that Bill's company has to struggle and use so many people while Ben's company can use very few resources and still have control of the data? The answer is Xpert BI. At Stressless Ltd., they use a newer data warehouse tool called Xpert BI. Xpert BI has included the best practices, methodologies in the tools, and ensures that the data has the right quality, is easy to understand, and it's available for self-service analysis. Since it automates data loads and data flow structure, it requires fewer resources to develop and maintain a BI solution. This leads to less personnel dependencies and significantly lower costs to set up and maintain over time. So which company do you want to be? Xpert BI, releasing the power of your data.